SmartScan tutorial, how to create a new job button. Simply click on Job Configurations on the bottom left corner. Select or set up a new account to create a new job button. You are now accessed to the job list that belongs to the selected account. Click the plus button, which is located on the right upper corner. Name the new button here. You can also choose the job button group. Configure saving destination by click on the icon. Click the icon to configure scan settings. Adjust the scan settings in this section. Scroll down for more configuration options. To save the scan settings, simply tap the back icon. Keep tapping the back icon to return to the home screen. The new job button you've created would appear in the home screen like this. In the group that you have selected during configuration process,